everybody, got a new song for you. This one is called Rain Out. It's about sitting on the front porch with my best friend, Adam Man Warren, which I'm dedicating this song to. I love you, brother. Alright, here's Rain Out. It's raining, ain't gonna stop. Could come by and pick you up, 'cause there's nothing I'd rather do than to sit here playing guitar and spend my day with you. It's raining, no work today. Was hoping you'd come out to play. It's springtime and now the earth is new, and it's right snazzy with me to waste my day with you. But life's just fine and life's okay. Another month behind on all the bills to pay. Seeing you laugh at the cats at play warms me with the sunshine of a cloudless day. It's raining, hope it never stops. It's raining on the shimmered streets. Our work boots nowhere near our feet. Life's hassles are far and few when I'm sipping cold beer on the porch, sharing life with you. And life's just fine and life's okay. Another month behind all the bills to pay. Seeing you laugh at the cats at play warms me with the sunshine of a cloudless day. It's raining, hope it never stops. It's raining, listen to the rain. Our love will remain, 'cause God knows just what I'd do if I weren't here by your side, spending time with you. But life's don't find, life's okay. Another month behind on all the bills to pay. Seeing you laugh at the cats at play warms me like the sunshine of a cloudless day. It's raining, hope it never stops. Peace.